Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy DAI token on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will log into our account on coinbase.com, and after you have done that, you will arrive at this homepage. So what we will do, we will click on buy and sell, and after that you will arrive at this section. Now you can see the asset which is selected, that is Bitcoin. We don't want to buy Bitcoin, but we would like to buy DAI. So we will tick in the search bar DAI, and after that you can select the asset. Now you have selected the asset we would like to buy, and you can fill in the purchase amount. So I will fill in something and I will buy 6 euros of DAI. After that you can simply select your wallet. I'm using a Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe, but if you live in another country or region, you can select the wallet you are using to buy assets. After that, you can simply go to Preview Buy and click on that. And now it will show some information about the purchase you are going to make. As you can see, I'm paying with my Euro wallet. The price of each token is 93 cents. And the purchase amount of tokens is 5 euros and 1 cent. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the total amount I'm spending is 6 euros. You can also select invest weekly and you can cancel it at any time. I don't want to buy it on a weekly basis, so I will leave it on this. After that, you can click on buy now and you will directly be purchasing the DAI tokens. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.